Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss important questions from Unit 1 in the subject IoT Architectures and Protocols. So the first important question is define IoT and write the examples of IoT devices. Second important question is mention the types or mention the flavors of IoT. For this question you need to write four types of IoT, that is consumer IoT, commercial IoT, industrial IoT and infrastructure IoT, and you need to explain about each type. Third important question is with a neat graph explain the growth of IoT. First you need to draw the graph till 2025. You need to draw the graph and you need to explain about it. Fourth question is explain evolution or history of IoT. Fifth important question is what are the major application areas of IoT? So there are seamless application areas of IoT. Out of those, 7 are the major application areas. You need to explain about those 7 types, 7 application areas. And sixth important question is what are the communication protocols used in IoT architecture? Seventh important question is what are the characteristics of IoT? So there are 14 characteristics of IoT. From those characteristics, different types of questions may be framed. For example, what is the role of security? What is the role of safety? From those 14 characteristics, question may be framed in different way. So prepare all the 14 characteristics. Next question is what processors are used in IoT architecture? Ninth question is explain the levels of IoT with examples for each level. So there are 6 levels. For each level there is an example and also there is a diagram for this. Diagram should be drawn in a neat way and for each level example must be mentioned. 10th question is explain IoT stack and discuss about the components and protocols involved in each layer of IoT stack. So there are 7 layers in IoT stack. In each layer there are some components or there are some protocols involved. So you need to explain about it in great detail. Last 11th question is define sensor. Explain types of sensors used in IoT. So you need to draw a small diagram for sensor. This output of sensor is given to transducer and then the output of transducer is the output of sensor. So you need to draw that small block diagram and explain the types of sensors. And the question may be framed in a different way. What is the role of sensors in IoT? So you need to write same answer for that question. Last 12th question is define actuator. Explain the types of actuators in IoT. So there are 5 types of actuators in IoT and same answer need to be written for role of actuator in IoT. Question may be framed in a different way. If you know the concept, you will be able to answer any type of question. So these are the important questions from Unit 1 of IoT Architectures and Protocols. Thank you all.